Alright guys, Luke Freeman here, Twin Trimmers. It is 10:12 on January 2nd. Just got done with our New Year's yesterday. We're hanging out with our family yesterday, just celebrating the new year. But today we got up about 6 o'clock and we did 4 Christmas light jobs, got them all torn down, and we did that in about 2.5 hours. 2 of them were in Gallatin, 2 of them were over here by us. But yeah, right now we were at the third job of the day, and I got a text from the customer saying, "Hello, while you're here, could you give me a couple quotes on trimming some bushes?" So we're gonna be trimming a couple bushes, cutting up a tree that has fallen, a couple things like that. We got we're just in the Dodge today. We got some tarp. We're gonna put it all in the bed, stack it up, and then we go into the dump. Our dump's only open on Wednesdays and Saturdays, but since it's Wednesday, we're gonna go ahead and get this job knocked out today. We got some leaf cleanups we'll probably do tomorrow and Friday, hopefully, and then we go back to school on Monday. So trying to finish out the season, and yeah, we're just out here, headed to the job site. Gonna talk to the customer a little bit, figure out exactly what he wants trimmed, give him a price really quick, and then we'll get started on the job. So yeah, we're gonna get some time lapses of this. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. We did do those light jobs this morning, but we didn't have time to film them. And if we would have filmed them, it would have just been boring because you would have just seen us kind of on roofs just pulling. You wouldn't be able to tell what we were doing. So we went ahead, started the video now. We'll do this job, get a quick time lapse, and we'll see you when we get there. Thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, out here at the job site, that tree was up against the fence. I think I already cut all the branches off of it, but finishing cutting that up. We're gonna be trimming the crepes there, trimming that tree over there, trimming that up a little bit over there, trimming the crepe there, and then doing some work around front. But for today, we're just doing this. Maybe in the spring we're gonna finish up everything around front, rip out a couple things. But yeah, trimming all these crepe myrtles. I'm gonna get a quick time lapse of this. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one
take your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you. There's a universe inside you. Inside you. There's a universe inside you. There's a universe inside you. So much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you. So much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the high.
Alright guys, Luke from here, Twin Trimmers. Just got everything finished up. You can see back there in the back right corner, there was a bush in front of it. We took it out, and then we also trimmed that crepe myrtle up. And then we trimmed this crepe myrtle here. The tree was right there where that post is. And then we got the little crepe myrtle, the other crepe myrtle, and then 2 more crepe myrtles. And then we were gonna just get the ones hanging over the fence there, but then we talked to him and he said go ahead and top it. Bark did peel a little bit there, but nothing bad. And then there were 2 bushes in that corner there. We went ahead and got those 2 out. We may be coming back to do a leaf cleanup here soon, hopefully. Go ahead and get all the leaves out of the yard. But yeah, besides that, we're gonna be coming back hopefully in spring, doing a lot of work with the front landscaping, and maybe get some video of that. We'll see kind of what the customer's thinking. We got the 10-foot trailer here. This is not our trailer, it's his trailer. We didn't bring ours, and he said, don't worry about bringing a trailer. I've got one. If it's too much brush to fit in the bed of your truck, you can just use mine, because he's a really great customer of ours. So went ahead and got the 10-foot loaded down. I mean, that thing is loaded down. But yeah, got the Dodge, headed to the dump. We'll get a time lapse when we get there. Just gonna be dumping all the brush. So yeah, we'll see you guys here in a few minutes. But got everything unloaded, had all this on a 5x10. But yeah, got everything unloaded for the day. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Just got everything finally done, wrapped up the day. Gonna go run a couple errands and then we'll be done. So yeah, thanks for tuning in today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.